So hey, welcome back to part 2 of this. So we kind of listened through the weather channels. Unfortunately, there is 10 channels on here for weather, but unfortunately, you only really get one weather channel. And the other 3 are the voice with stat, and the other 5 is probably like all static. It's all static. So only one, which is channel 1, you're going to get the clear voice to hear the weather without all the static and stuff. Okay. They say press the up and down button to adjust the volume. It says when in mode function, press and release to change channels. So the volume goes up to a volume of 8. So I'm going to use this one here at volume 1. This one's going to be volume 8. So can you hear me? Yeah. And now we're going to go with this one at volume 8. Listen to volume 1. Can you hear me? A little bit more easier to hear, but not as loud. So let me turn that down to 1. It says when in mode function, press and release to change the channel. So you hit that and then I think I just turned this one off. I did. So really you don't have to hit that. So that's channel 1. Let it blink. Now it's channel 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, no, 22. It only goes up to 22 channels, so 22 people can have this. So if for some reason you're in a big giant search party or something, for a search and rescue mission or something, 22 people. So a couple people that's actually out there in the field. Some people may be in the vehicles. Some people may be at base camp. 22 channels you got on that. Now let's see, how do we get to the channel battery indicator? Not really sure how we get to battery indicator. It says icon blinks and audible tone will be heard when battery power level is low. Your mic talk radio has a unique circuit design to extend battery life if there are no transmissions within 10 seconds. The radio will automatically switch to battery save mode. This will not affect the radio's ability to receive incoming transmissions. Then it says weather icon visible with one in NOVA or NOAA weather radio mode. You can use your mic talk radio, that's what they call it, micro talk radio, to listen to weather channels transmission in your area. Reveal icon visible when receiving a message. Okay, I guess I would see an R on mine, which means someone's talking to theirs and I'm listening to mine. And then mine would show a TH when I push the talk button and talk into it. And theirs would show a R when they are going to be listening to their side of the radio. Okay. Like I said, it's transmission icon. Visible one transmitting a message. So that would be a TX on here. And then it says indicator volume, charge volume indicator. Visible when receiving a message. CH is visible one in standby mode or when selecting a channel. LE is visible when adjusting the volume. So I mean, for $25, they don't seem that bad of a radio. Slash walkie-talkie. I mean, as you can see, they definitely work. They clip nicely onto the boat. They come with rechargeable batteries and a charger. You can charge them with a micro USB charger. And if you don't have a place to recharge your batteries, and you just had to have extra AAA batteries, you could use wired AAA batteries, which I think is kind of a little bit more of an advantage than a disadvantage compared to a lithium-ion built-in rechargeable battery. Because a rechargeable battery, if you don't have access to a charger and your walkie-talkie goes dead, your walkie-talkie is dead. Versus, these AAAs, if you have extra AAAs that are rechargeable, swap out, the flashly charged ones and put these ones in a charger. Or, if you just have standard old disposable AAA batteries, you can swap them in and you still can be talking, listen to the weather, doing what you gotta be doing. That's why you bought this, for what you be needing. Which, like I said, some people may think that's a little bit of a con that they don't have a lithium ion built-in rechargeable battery. I think that's kind of more of a pro. Like I said, batteries go dead, you're able to swap them out. Now, if you don't have any other batteries on you, well, you're just as dead with the dead walkie-talkie than with one that has a built-in lithium-ion battery in there. So, yeah, no matter what, if you don't have batteries, you're out for the day out somewhere, So, yeah, definitely, I'll have to say this COBRA walkie-talkie is definitely a good buy. For 25 bucks, I mean, I've seen other ones. You get one for like 35, maybe two for like 50 bucks, two for like about 45 bucks. Or no, you get like one for 45 bucks with a charger, maybe two with a charger for 45. It got to be a ridiculous price, but these, white size, great price, belt clip, nice weight. Like I said, as long as you got batteries or access to a charger, great. So yeah, that's been a review of the. Whoop, that's falling down now. Don't know why that doesn't want to stand. But yeah, the COBRA walkie-talkies. Remember to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks. Bye.